The King opened up there. Lots to get into with the Cavs' loss last night. But first, let's give a little respect to that dunk by LeBreezy. Max, were you impressed?
Yep. Impressed by King James? First of all, that dunk was, I don't know how it's humanly possible. Like, did he jump off a springboard? He's in his early 30s already, approaching his mid-30s. He's played more minutes than anyone who ever lived who's still been the best player in the game, including Kareem, who didn't have to play the same style as LeBron James. And he doesn't just dunk it. Stephen A., that's an all-timer. He had an all-timer. That is a Hall of Fame highlight reel dunk. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. The fact that physically, we know mentally he can make up for some physical erosion, but physically he can do that is unreal.
Well, you mean, you're just learning that, Max? Because, I mean, you were on TV just yesterday talking about how he's lost a step and he's not the same and all of this other stuff, as great as and phenomenal as he is, and you certainly never denied that. I do believe it was you that was on national television just yesterday talking about what he lost. So it's nice to see that you woke up last night and was reminded as to what he hasn't lost. I mean, it was a sensational dunk, no question about it, but let's pump the brakes a little bit. I can go to it when you say it's unbelievable. Okay, that's that's hyperbole to some degree or whatever, because it's very believable with LeBron James. A and B, we've seen some big time dunks before. I've seen Tracy McGrady do some big time dunks like that. I've seen Vince Carter do some big time dunks like that. I've seen Kobe do some big time dunks like that, and so have you.
When they were young.
So let's be very clear. I understand that. I'm just saying, we see it. If you want to bring into account his age, it was unbelievable because of his age, fine. But I'm talking about the actual dunk. It was fantastic. It was great. But we've seen it before, is all I'm trying to say. Okay? That's all I'm trying to say.
But never from a guy his age with that kind of, but never from a guy his age with those kind of miles on his legs. Like, this is probably the greatest old man dunk or dunk after playing X number of minutes in the league of all time. And Stephen A., my point yesterday was just this. Yes, he's capable of flashes of brilliance and even sustained periods of brilliance, but he can't play with the same energy on both sides of the floor all season long as he could 5 years ago. So that he can do this in critical moments. He can still do this in high leverage moments. He just can't sustain it.
I got you. I got you. I ain't gonna argue with you about it. I know what you said, but it's okay. I know you're gonna explain it again, just like the Cliff, and then the Cliff's 18, and then 2 years, and Lord knows I'm not even trying to open that can of worms with you. You'll just keep moving the line. I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's move on, Molly. I'm not gonna even go there.
I'm not gonna go there.
He'll just move the lines. Let's go.
All right, guys.